Hello children, so we are doing the lesson prepositions, and in the first video you saw what is a preposition, how a preposition shows the position of one noun with respect to the other, or a noun with respect to a pronoun, or one pronoun with respect to the other pronoun. And I told you there are three types of prepositions: prepositions of place, prepositions of time, and prepositions of direction. We have already discussed about prepositions of place and prepositions of time. Now, in this video, you will be discussing about prepositions of directions. Okay? Now, what are prepositions of directions? Prepositions of directions gives us information about the direction or the movement of a person or thing, about the direction or movement of persons or things. In which direction did that noun or a pronoun move? In which direction did that person or a thing move? Let's see an example. The dog jumped into the pond. It jumped into, there is a movement, isn't it? So it is called as prepositions of directions. The words which come under prepositions of directions are to, into, towards, along, onto, through, across, over, down, up, etc. Now let's see the difference between some basic prepositions of place and prepositions of direction. Now one such word is the word in. We have studied about the word in preposition of place, but the word into comes under prepositions of direction, because when you say the dog jumped into the pond, the word into shows some movement. He is moving from one place to another, but the word in shows that it is already inside. For example, the fish is in the water. It is already inside the water. Here he dived into the swimming pool. That means some movement was there from one place to the other. He might have dived from the land to the swimming pool. Okay? The next one is the word by and with. The word by and with. Now, the word by shows, it indicates the person or thing that performs the action, who is doing the action. It tells about the person or the thing who is doing the action. Let's see one example. The thief was beaten by some boys. Who did the action? Some boys. What are the noun here? Boys are the noun, and thief is also noun. So this thief was beaten by these boys. So the person or the thing who is performing the action. So the word by is the preposition here. The word with indicates the thing with which the action is done, with which you do the action. Here, who is doing the action, and in with, the thing with which you are doing the action. The curry was prepared by my mother with a variety of vegetables. So here it refers to the thing only. Here it refers to the person or thing who is performing the action. Here the thing with which the action is done. The curry was prepared by whom? It was prepared by my mother. So this is preposition of what, children? It shows who is doing the action, isn't it? By. Prepared by whom? Prepared by my mother. And here the word with shows a variety of vegetables. The word with means, with what did she make this? She made it with a variety of vegetables. So with what the action was done? With vegetables it completed. Here, who performed the action? My mother. So the word by shows who is doing the action. The word with shows with what the action is completed. Is it clear? Now, when we talk about the position of a preposition, what is the exact position of a preposition, children? A preposition is usually placed before a noun. It is usually placed before a noun or a pronoun. It is usually placed before a noun or a pronoun, but sometimes it comes after the word, it modifies. It is generally placed before the noun, it modifies. For example, the boy slept under a tree. This is the noun and this is the noun. So this is noun and tree is also noun. Where did he sleep? Under the tree. Is it clear? So here this is subject and this is the object. So if this is the object, we generally place the preposition before the object. The preposition is generally placed before the object. Is it clear, children? To understand that, you take out page number 101. On page 101, they have told you about the object of a preposition. What is the object of a preposition? So when you talk about object of a preposition, they say that, for example, he is playing in the garden. For example, if I take the first example, he is playing in the garden. He is playing in the garden. He is playing in the garden. So here, children, he is the subject and garden is the object, isn't it? So the preposition, this is the preposition. So this is the preposition. So you can say that the preposition, this is called the object of the preposition. Object of a preposition. If you want to check, you check on page number 101. This is called as the object of a preposition. It is called as the object of a preposition. So the boy is playing. Where is he playing? In the garden. The relation of the boy and the garden is shown. He is playing in the garden. This is the object. So garden is referred as the object of a preposition. You can see page number 101. The noun or pronoun which a preposition is placed is called as the object of a preposition. In garden, so the word in is the preposition and object is the garden. So the garden becomes the object, in is the preposition. Okay. So here I was giving you some examples when I was telling you about the position of an. Now generally a preposition is placed before the object which it modifies. So boy is a noun, tree is a noun, it is placed before the object. But then there are cases where the preposition comes towards the end of the sentence. For example, you see, whom are you looking for? This word for is the preposition. What are you thinking of? The word of is the preposition. So at times you can say the preposition can come towards the end of the sentence. Generally a preposition comes before the object. You have to do, children, exercise A, B, C, D and E. When you come to exercise F, let me see on page number 106, exercise F is given. I will just discuss the first two answers for you. This is the book which I was referring to. So this word to is the preposition. Okay, you have to write, fill in with suitable preposition. What are you looking for? This is the preposition. Now in the exam, children, you get prepositions as choose the correct answer, or you can write fill in the blanks with correct preposition. So there can be many words which can be filled in that. For example, if I say the cat is sitting dash the chair. For example, if I say the cat is sitting dash the chair. So here what all words can come, children? You can write he's sitting on the chair, he's sitting under the chair, he's sitting near the chair, he's sitting behind the chair. So many words can come. So when you get such questions, children, you have to use the suitable prepositions. Which one is correct? You have to just fill in with that and complete the sentence. The meaning should be complete. Is it clear, children? So try to do the textual exercise. Any doubts you have, you can clear it in the class itself. Now, when you come to the end of the exercise, when you know the different types of prepositions, how to use it, you should be able to do exercise J, K, L and M. You have to use any appropriate prepositions and fill in the blanks. If options are given, you take the suitable ones. If options are not given, you try to fill in the blanks with the given any appropriate suitable prepositions. Is it clear? Thank you, children.